Hello, my subscribers, my new friends, my family. Today we are talking about. I'm taking you to the factory where they make Pomo Ijebu. Pomo Ijebu is a delicacy, is a meat, or let me say delicacy that we Nigerians will somehow love. Let me say by force we love to eat Pomo. They say there's nothing inside, but because of the economical situation in Nigeria, we just have to love eating pomo. So there's this woman, this factory near my sister place. Each time I'm there on a visit, I will see her working so hard to do her pomo. Can you see her fire? She's always doing this pomo, and people will all come in the morning. She will carry it. People will come and collect their own. She's a distributor, in fact. I love the way she normally does her Ijebu Pomo. So I decided, okay, let me do this video for her and for we, the lovers of Pomo. So this is the Pomo. She will order the Pomo from North. These are the Pomo. She will order them. They see them on the floor. She spread them on the floor to dry before she now take them to fire to burn them. So these are the process. I think it's almost four process. This, can you see? This is them on the floor. She has a lot of them. She bought a lot of them. She said she bought one cow, a complete cow. I think 20,000 or 25,000. They will bring it from north. Then after bringing it, then she starts her own work on it. Firstly, she will have to put it on the fire. She will burn it, roast it. That's her there. She doesn't want me to show her face. She will burn it. That's her doing it. She's an hardworking woman because it's not easy to stay near fire. It is not easy to stay near fire. And all this cover, when I was looking at it, I said, God, this country, you are trying. Oh. So, can you see? So, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm doing this video for you. Please subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Press the notification bell. Subscribe to ShiningFolakeTvBeadsJewerllery. Please subscribe. Like my video if you like it. Please thumbs up. Comment. I'd like to see your comment. If you are one of us that eat pomo, please drop it on the comment box. If you enjoy eating pomo. If you enjoy eating pomo, and if you want to buy pomo, please drop it on the comment box, because she supplies, and anybody that wants, she says she's ready to, even outside the country, we will export it or import it to you. Eh? In any case, we will export. Kindly drop it on the comment box, or you DM me privately. My number will be dropped on it. So this is it. I will drop my number if you want bulk, because she deal with them in bulk. Can you see? They are so much. When I went to her compound, everywhere was full of pomo. I said, are you not tired of eating pomo? She said, no, she's not tired. Oh. That was what else will she eat? And that is why I have to remove her voice, because it's like, pomo is my food. Oh. So these are the ones that they have burnt. So they will have to put them aside after burning. This one is the fresh one. This is the fresh one that they have finished everything. I think she wanted to cook that one that morning to do So can you see? This is how, this is the process of making pomo. Very soon you will see me too on the fire, sitting there burning it. It is not easy to stay near that fire. I admire her. I said, okay, let me do my own. Stand up. So you can see me taking my own turn. Can you see it? She said, that is not how to do it. So I said, well, let me do it and let me see what you are going through. So I decided to take this video. Can you see the fire so hot? That place is so hot, even inside the sun. So hot. Can you see the way the fire is burning? So these are the raw mats. These are the one that we have burnt, that she burnt. This is it. And from here, you will see that these things, they are plenty. Oh, they are much. From here now, you will have to go and boil it. So you can easily peel it. She said it is risky like that. I should hold it gently because it can easily break. And once they break, so these are all the ones that she has burnt. She has burnt all this one. And she said, please, gently with those pomo. One is 30,000, one is 20,000. I say, hey. Although she said she has cut this one to two. Like two of it is a complete cow. Two of this is a complete cow. She has cut it. I say, hey, may God help us in this country. Oh. So right now I'm moving to the section where she's going to cook them for, let me say, 30 minutes. We have put everything inside this big pot. Can you see the fire going? We have put those one that we have burnt. So it's going to boil. It's going to boil. After boiling, can you see her? She's arranging it into the pot. She's arranging it. It's just ordinary water. I asked her, are you putting anything inside the water? I said, no, that is ordinary water that they use. The work is not easy on my people. Please, at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Subscribe, please, I beg you. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. This is ShiningFolakeTvBeadsJewerllery Studio. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment on the box, on the comment box. If you have not eaten pomo before and you want me to supply you pomo, please comment on the box. These are the one that they have burnt. I don't know what to call it. After some time, after something has reached a boiling point, it will go down, and you will now the pomo will now. Can you see the pomo is going down? It's getting softer and softer, and they are entering into the pot, little small, little by little. I don't know. English is not my papa language. Okay, see the flour. These ones are the ones that we have removed earlier on. So from this stage now, she's going to go and spread it where she normally spread it for it to get thicker again. So she's going to spread, let me say, for a day. If the she said if the sun is much, a day is okay, or 2 days. So after spreading it, this is another pot that she's cooking. This is another pot that she's cooking. I tell you, this woman, she's a real supplier. When I counted everything that she has on the floor, there is more than 200. Can you see there? She's still bringing some out of the big pot. And at times, she used a week to do all these things. When she bring them from the north, the, she, she will use a week. She sometimes use a week cooking and doing all these things. She's a powerful woman. Oh. Please, if you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please. So let me take you to where she's going to dry it. And I will just tell you, after drying it, she's taking to where she's going to dry it. After drying for a day or 2 days, then she will now soak it inside ordinary water. That is what she told me, that she will now soak again inside ordinary water. This time around is not hot water, ordinary water for a day or 2 days before she now starts cleaning and cutting it for people that want to buy small, or they will come and collect it. She has some customer that they will come and buy it like that and go and do the cleaning by themselves and do the cutting by. Can you see? These are the ones that she has bought. So they will just come and carry it. She has some customer, they will come and carry it like that, go and soak it. Then they will do the cutting the way they want to cut it, maybe 50 naira or 100 naira or 200 naira. Depends on how individuals sell it. So they had them on the floor. I say, wow, this thing is great too. So she's doing a great job. She's doing a great job. So this is how the end product will be like. This is how it will look like, the end product. So let's go to how you can easily wash it here, that you will enjoy. This is the section. This is the last part of it. She's going to show me how they normally wash it. So can you see? This is the way they wash it. After they have soaked for 2 or 3 days, they will now start removing all the dirty things away. They will wash the skin, both inside and outside. Can you see? This is one of our daughter doing the cleaning before they now take it to market. And you see, if you love Pomo Ijebu, please drop it on the comment box that yes, I love Pomo Ijebu. This is Pomo Ijebu. You can use it to cook any kind of stew, any kind of food, even efo riro. They use Pomo for efo riro, efo shoko, this kind of efo, even this different kinds of efo. I don't know what to say. I love eating pomo. I love eating pomo, and I know that people too love eating pomo. I just pray that our country get better, because all these things supposed not to be so. But because of the situation of the country, if I don't eat pomo a day, I'm not myself. Oh. Right now, even I'm having pomo on my rice now. So pomo, we pray that they should not. Our country should be better. Oh. Can you see her? So diligent in washing it. You will not see any trace of sand or any trace of any black thing there. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want, please DM me or you drop it on comment box. She took her time, and her pomo is always good, very clean, very clean. And nothing stops you. When you buy it, you can easily do your own washing if you are not satisfied. She will remove all the black things. You will never know that it went through fire. Hope you are enjoying this thing. Hope you're enjoying this video. Please drop the comment, please. I want to read from you. I want to read from you. Please drop your comment. Drop your comment and thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you come across this thing. Surprise surprise me, please. Comment, drop your comment, and share this video. Share this video. Anybody that wants to buy pomo, home and abroad, we supply you. We will supply you pomo. Personally, I will go there to do your pomo for you. I will go there to do your pomo, and I will supply you. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel because there's a lot of more interesting videos coming up. And very soon I'll be doing video on crochet. And you see them, there are so plenty on the floor there. And she has this big compound. God bless her with this big compound, and she will spread everything on the floor. And I say, you are really working. So kindly subscribe to my channel. I love you.